Do you love the exhilaration of riding a bike, but hate the workout? Tired of being stuck in traffic or feeling like you're going nowhere fast? Well, there's finally a solution to your problems. The Ancheer Sunshine AT1 electric bike. This bad boy gives you all the joys of biking. Keep watching to learn more about this great bicycle. This electric bike is designed for both on and off-road riding. It has a durable aluminum alloy frame that can withstand years of use. It is perfect for commuting or leisure riding. It has a 350 watts motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it a great option for getting around town quickly and easily. And if you're worried about running out of juice, don't be. This e-bike comes with a removable 10.4 amp-hour battery that will give you plenty of power for even the longest rides. With 21 speed gears, you'll be able to conquer any terrain, whether you're hitting the trails or just cruising around town. Here's what I'll show you in this video. Powerful electric system. With a removable 374.4 watt-hours battery, you can pedal assist to 40 miles per charge using the low pedal assist level. 350 watts brushless geared motor provides reliable support and 20 miles per hour top speed, providing more than enough to power your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. You can easily handle most of the hillsides encountered. Turn throttle or pedal assist comes with 4 levels of power assistance. You can choose to turn the thumb throttle or step on the pedal to activate the motor. You can switch between pedal assist and thumb throttle at any time. The 4 levels power output is sufficient to meet your daily commuting needs and outdoor climbing needs. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. Mountain bike configuration. The fork is made of high-strength carbon steel, and the frame is made from aluminum alloy. This makes the bike lightweight yet very sturdy. With the 21-speed transmission system, you can choose any speed according to your needs. The perfect front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. Aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for greater durability. Convenient parts replacement design. Replacement connections have been created for all electrical accessories. If you need to replace the parts, you can replace them directly at the connector without opening the controller to find a complicated circuit. After-sales replacement of accessories is much more convenient. Easy to finish assembly. This bike is 85% pre-assembled, and you only need to finish the assembly of the main parts. They also have the assembly video for you on the product page. With 1-year service for the electric motor, battery, and other main replaceable parts, you do not worry about using it. And you can also choose to have your assembly process with another third-party company. If you can't finish by yourself, you can choose that service. "11 reasons to buy." The price is very affordable. It's incredibly easy to assemble even with zero knowledge about bikes. It has good mileage and battery life. Great customer service. Easily travel up to 40 miles on a single charge. Reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Ride with power and control with both throttle and pedal assist. 4 levels of power to choose from, depending on your needs. The 21-speed transmission system is great for people who want to go at different speeds. The front and rear disc brakes are a great safety feature. There is a 1-year warranty for the electric motor and other main replaceable parts. 4 reasons not to buy. The headlight isn't that great. Only 350 watts, which may not be powerful enough for some riders. This bike doesn't come with speedometer, have to get your own. There is no USB port for charging the phone. Does it come assembled? Answer: almost assembled. You just need to fasten the handlebars, seat, and front wheel, and you're done. It just takes 20 minutes, including unpacking. Will this bike work for someone 6 feet 3 inches? Answer: yes, the seat goes up pretty far. Remember though, it is only a 350-watt motor. The bigger the person, the more wattage you may need. Can you use throttle while not using the pass mode? Answer: yes, you can use the throttle while not using pass mode. Do you need a license to ride on the street? Answer: in most U.S. states, e-bike riders are not required to have a driver's license, but it depends on where you live. I recommend consulting your local e-bike rules and regulations before hitting the road if you're not sure. Can you ride it in the rain? Answer: no problem riding in the rain, but the manufacturer does not recommend it. They said the bike is water resistant, not waterproof, and keep the electric motor dry. How much does the bike weigh? Answer: about 44 pounds. What is the weight limit? Answer: 265 pounds. What is the battery weight? Answer: 5 pounds. What is the minimal seat height between the 27.5 and 26-inch bike? Answer: the seat height is between 82 centimeters to 103 centimeters for the Blue Spark. Is the battery theft-proof? Answer: it comes with a locking mechanism built inside the battery. Can you put a different headlight and seat on? Answer: the light is independent of the circuit system and can be completely replaced according to your needs, as long as the seat can be replaced by the same size. Will it comfortably fit somebody who is 5 feet 1 inch? Answer: this is the perfect size for your height, but seller recommends 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 1 inches. The Ancheer Sunshine AT1 26 inches electric bike is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable electric bike. With a removable 10.4 amp-hour battery, it has plenty of power to get you where you need to go. And with 21 speed gears, it can handle most hills and trails with ease. The fork is made of high-strength carbon steel, and the frame is made from aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet very sturdy. With front and rear disc brakes, you can be sure of your safety when riding. After-sales service is also available for 1 year on the motor, battery, and other main replaceable parts. So if you're looking for an electric bike that's affordable, reliable, and easy to ride, the Ancheer Sunshine AT1 26 inches electric bike is a great choice. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.